You ever wonder how we get crude oil from beneath the ocean floor? This marvel of engineering is something that powers our world in ways we often overlook. From fueling our cars to heating our homes, crude oil is an integral part of our everyday lives. It's a journey that takes us deep into the ocean, where the mysteries of the deep give way to the treasures of the earth. Now, how about we dive into the ocean and find out? Offshore drilling involves a complex and fascinating process. Picture this: colossal structures rising from the depths of the ocean, piercing the Earth's crust to tap into the rich dark fluid that powers our world. This is the essence of offshore drilling. At the heart of this operation are two primary types of drilling platforms: bottom-founded and floating drilling rigs. Bottom-founded rigs, as the name suggests, are anchored to the seafloor, providing stability in shallower waters. On the other hand, floating rigs, equipped with sophisticated positioning systems, are designed to stay afloat in deep waters where the ocean floor is beyond the reach of conventional moorings. These drilling platforms and rigs are marvels of modern engineering designed to withstand the harshest of weather conditions while ensuring the highest levels of safety and efficiency. They make it possible to extract the crude oil that fuels our lives in ways we often take for granted. Now that we understand what offshore drilling is, how exactly does this process work? The process of drilling for crude oil offshore begins with exploration. This is where geologists work meticulously to identify underwater areas that could potentially hold oil deposits. They use seismic survey techniques which involve sending shock waves into the ocean floor to map its structure and identify possible oil reservoirs. Once a potential site has been found, the drilling process begins. The first stage is known as spudding in, which involves drilling a small, shallow hole known as a pilot hole. This is done to test the ground conditions and to ensure that the site is suitable for drilling. Next, a larger hole is drilled using a drill bit attached to a string of drill pipes. The drill bit grinds away the rock, while the drill pipes provide the necessary weight and torque. As the bit drills deeper, more sections of drill pipe are added. This process continues until the drill bit reaches the oil reservoir. During drilling, a special fluid known as drilling mud is pumped down the drill pipe and out through the drill bit. This mud cools the bit, carries away the rock cuttings, and prevents the well from collapsing. It also serves as a barrier to prevent oil or gas from escaping uncontrollably, a phenomenon known as a blowout. Once the oil reservoir is reached, the drilling process is halted. A steel pipe known as a casing is then inserted into the well to reinforce it. Cement is pumped down the casing and forced up the outside to permanently seal the well from the surrounding rock and water. Finally, a production platform is installed over the well. This platform contains equipment to extract the oil, separate it from any associated gas, water or sediments, and then transport it to shore. Safety measures and environmental considerations are paramount throughout this process. Rig crews must be vigilant to prevent accidents, and systems are in place to minimize the risk of oil spills and other environmental hazards. That's a step-by-step rundown of the offshore drilling process. But what are the key takeaways here? Offshore drilling is a complex yet crucial process for our energy needs. Throughout this video, we've delved deep into the intricacies of extracting crude oil from beneath the ocean floor. Let's take a moment to recap the key points. Offshore drilling is a marvel of modern engineering, combining technology, geology, and human ingenuity to tap into the Earth's rich reserves of oil. We've learned about the composition of crude oil, a complex mixture of hydrocarbons, varying in qualities and sulfur content. This incredible resource is a critical part of our everyday lives, fueling our cars, heating our homes, and even contributing to the production of everyday items like plastics and cosmetics. We've also explored the intricate process of offshore drilling, highlighting the use of sophisticated platforms and rigs. These colossal structures are designed to withstand harsh oceanic conditions while simultaneously drilling thousands of feet beneath the seabed. The drilling process itself is a delicate balance of pressure and control, as the drill bit penetrates layers of rock to access the oil reservoirs deep within the Earth's crust. But we must also remember the hazards involved in this endeavor. From the risk of oil spills to the environmental impact of drilling, we must continue striving for safer, more sustainable methods of extraction. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at how we extract crude oil from beneath the ocean floor. Next time you fill up your tank, you'll know a little more about where it all comes from.